We know that transdermal absorption of magnesium chloride works, and we know it's superior to magnesium pills because it doesn't interact with our intestine like they do to bring about the laxative effect. But what we don't know is the actual mechanism of how our skin absorbs the magnesium. However, some interesting similarities between the excretion systems of our urinary tract and our sweat glands have recently shed some light on an interesting hypothesis of how this happens.
Initially, I also have been thinking, could it be possible a salt, what is being taken up via the skin into our body? What happens if I swim in the ocean? Will this salt be taken up in my body? Well, the first thing later I started to realize is that it is all about a very high concentration. This magnesium chloride from the Zechstein layers has a concentration of between 31 and 33%. That is huge. And then we have been working about the hypothesis, how that could explain transdermal uptake. And to cut a long story short, there are some similarities between how urine is produced in our kidneys and how sweat is being produced in our sweat glands. There are some similarities, and one of the most astonishing similarities is that for all minerals that we lose via our urine, for all minerals that we lose via our sweat, there is a particular group of cells, as well as in our urinary tract, as well as in our sweat glands, that are specially designed to actively take back, reabsorb magnesium just before the urine or the sweat is being released to the bladder or to the skin. And that's an interesting phenomenon. What will happen when I take a bath in a very high concentration of magnesium chloride? I'm nice and warm, my sweat glands start to produce sweat, want to release it, and my specially dedicated for reabsorption of magnesium cells at the end of the sweat glands try to re-uptake magnesium again. Do they know the difference between the magnesium that I added to the bath or the magnesium that came from the body? No, and probably this could explain the uptake via the skin of magnesium chloride from a high concentration.